Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change wallpaper on lock screen and home screen of Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to change your home screen or lock screen wallpaper, so let's see how can you do this. There are some different ways. The first way is that you just have to press and hold on an empty place on your home screen. From here, you will get the pop-up menu just like this. You just have to select wallpapers from there and then select the wallpaper which you want to set as your lock screen and home screen wallpaper. As I'm going to select the first one, so just tap on it, and after that, your wallpaper will be changed something like this. This is for your home screen and lock screen wallpaper. And after that, there is a second way, which is you just have to open your Themes app in your phone. Just tap on it, and here just tap on local in the bottom right corner. From here, select local wallpapers, and after that, you will get a pop-up menu something like this. You just have to select the wallpaper which you want to set as your lock screen or home screen or both. You just have to select the wallpaper. There are some downloaded wallpapers and the system wallpaper. You can easily get which one you want to set as I'm going to set this one, so just tap on it, then tap on apply, and here you can select whether you want to set as on your lock screen, home screen, and both. As I've selected the third one, so just go back and you can see the wallpaper hasn't changed. So that's how you can easily change your lock screen and home screen wallpaper on your Vivo V50 Lite 5G phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.